Peace be with you. My name is Alan Kiesler with the Institute of All Intelligent Life in Esparto, California. And I've just spent the last half hour trying to get onto my Facebook Live, and I finally did. I had been announcing that I will do this class at 8 o'clock. So since 8 o'clock I've been trying to. For some reason my Facebook Live was not coming on. I could not get onto Facebook Live, but now I finally have. So I did, while I was trying to get onto Live and couldn't, make a short video, and then I tried to post that. So I hope it got posted, but I don't know if it did or not, because I haven't been able to check. But in any case, I'm just going to quickly summarize what I said in that short video, and then I will take questions. So briefly, I explained how I first met an extraterrestrial when I was 9 years old. One day when I was walking home from school, in a clearing in the forest that I was walking through, I saw a flying saucer. And the captain of that flying saucer was a woman, and she called me to come see her. I was 9 years old. I climbed up this stairway into the flying saucer, and she embraced me so lovingly, I felt she was my real mother. And in fact, when I got home, I told my mother, my biological mother, "You're not my real mother." So that experience was very moving to me, and I've learned a lot from it. The main thing I've learned, as I explained, is that there are so many different species of life from all over the universe, and there is not only a material universe with millions and billions of galaxies, each galaxy having millions and billions of planets with intelligent life, but there's also a spiritual existence, which is even larger than the material existence. And it is full of uncountable numbers of huge, glowing spiritual universes. And the difference is those are eternal. Never were created, never will be destroyed, whereas the material universes began at a certain point of time. They were created, and I really am not sure if they will end or not. But they will exist for a long time at least. Anyway, that's what I was talking about. So let me see if that video you may have seen. I'm going to take questions now. And I see there are some questions in Urdu. Sayyid Tayyib is asking, Kya hal hai aapke, Muhtaram? How are you? I'm fine, thank you, but I don't want to speak in Urdu. This class, as I announced, is in English, so I may read a couple of Urdu questions, but I'm not going to speak in Urdu myself. And Sardar Zohaib also is writing in Urdu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. Baba Jan, thank you very much. Peace be upon you and the blessings of God also. Sabakon alwalon. Also says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu, Baba Jahan. All right, so Zain Khan is asking, does ETs have cultures, languages? Do they have feelings and emotions like laughing and crying? Do they listen to music and dance? Ah, very wonderful question. Yes, ETs have cultures and languages, many, many different types of cultures and languages, and very, very different types of existences they also have. And they do listen to music and dance too, yes. Actually, some may not. I don't know. I don't know about all of them, but definitely some of them do. Solomon 11 says, Sir, since you saw AI when you were 9, did you ever see them again? I don't think you mean AI, you mean E.T. Yes, I have seen that very same woman I saw again when I was about 45 years old.